Welcome to day 10, guys.
Day 10.
In Kauai, Hawaii.
Yes, where they filmed Jurassic Park.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. We're really excited about this island. It's so beautiful. It's very remote.
Yes.
I think we'll get a good taste of real Hawaiian culture here.
Yes.
It's not as developed.
We're here for 2 days.
Yep, we're here for 2 days. On deck is a helicopter tour to the Nepali coast, which I will tell you offhand was not cheap. But we came this far, and I wanted to do something really, really nice. And I'll be honest, I just wanted to recreate the beginning of Jurassic Park.
I had no idea. It was a surprise for me, so I'm ready to go.
And then renting a car and doing some more exploring on our own.
Yeah.
Let's roll.
Let's go.
Look at his legs, babe. Got your lay, huh? Oh, nice. Ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Here we go. All right, everybody, welcome to the world famous Princeville Golf Course. You know, they hold a lot of golf tournaments here. Very, very famous golf course.
It's beautiful.
Lots of rich and famous here. Beautiful
really
island
pretty.
so far.
So if you're on the island of Kauai, make sure you come by Princeville and visit the golf course. You can just drive through.
Yeah, we're trying to find this place called Queen's Bath, and my phone is telling me it's at the end of this road. We shall see.
We'll see.
All right.
This is the St. Regis Hotel.
Hey, aloha, friend.
Aloha.
I think I might need your help, man. I think the iPhone is supposed directly to
Yeah, where are you gonna get?
Queen's Bath Pond.
Okay. Go right up the road.
Yep. Okay.
Okay. The street's called Highway.
Okay.
So what you do is you see all these condos and then you hit the golf course.
Okay.
Right after you see the golf course, right on the left, right the next step.
So the baths are on Huna Pele Street. That's it, right?
Hey, you're probably saying it better than me.
Huna Pele.
Alright guys, so I'm headed down to a place called Queen's Bath Pond, and as you can see, it's not the most safest place, but we're gonna go check it out, and I will be careful. If it looks too crazy, I'm not gonna do it, but let's go take a look. Alright guys, still heading down. I don't know if you can see the stream down here. I hope that you can see that. It's like crystal clear. You know, some good stuff when you got some rainwater coming down from the mountains. It's all crystal clear. It's not all yucky and muddy. Oh, well, I see water. I see ocean. Oh, I see waterfall here. Look at this. Uh-oh. Now what? Let me figure this out, guys. There's no joke, guys. Pretty good hike here. Alright guys, made it to Queen's Bath Pond. Yeah, man. I'm not messing with this one, guys. Maybe if the water was a little bit lower, I would do it. Look how beautiful, crystal clear that is. But you see the water breaking over normally when the water is a little bit lower, there's a natural wall right there. And so sometimes the waves will break over and refresh the pond. But as you can see, it's coming in full steam right there. And if we catch a rogue wave, that's how people are drowning in here. So Miss Traveler would get me if I jumped in there. As inviting as it looks dangerous. All right, well that's Queen's Bath Pond. I'm heading back. Whew, here we go. Gotta climb this. Going down wasn't bad. Whew, coming up is a beast. Whew. You gotta be in shape for this one, y'all. Queen's Bath. All right, everybody. Well, it was a great day in Kauai.
It was. We had a really good time. We look different. We're on our way to
Cagney's. We're so tired, I had to think about that.
We're on our way to Cagney's right now to have some steak.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
I had to watch what I was eating all week because I had to stand and wait for the helicopter ride.
Yes, but now we can eat whatever.
When I get back to Florida, I'm riding my bike.
Yes, it's on and popping.
Let's go see what Cagney's look like. Come on. Forgot to videotape the food. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Very interesting there.